Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make silken tofu chocolate pudding tarts. Pulse the pecans, dates, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, cocoa powder, and salt in a small food processor until the mixture begins to stick together. Spoon the mixture into a cupcake or tart pan and press firmly to form the crust. In a small food processor or blender, combine the silken tofu, melted chocolate chips, maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and salt. Blend until smooth, stopping to scrape down the sides as needed. Spoon the chocolate filling over the prepared crusts and gently smooth the surface. Top with fruit of your choice, chill briefly if desired, and serve. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.